G'day, here's a small parcel of fossil material from Lightning Ridge. Some of it looks like it's bordering on just seam, but I'll pick up a few pieces in a minute and see what you think of it. You can see there's some nice bright electric green pieces amongst it. Anyway, I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in. Rules in millimetres. The material's been wetted as usual. Helps bring out the colours a little bit. Not seeing the colour there because that's the side of the stones, or the top or the bottom. Anyway, I'll pick up some of these and see what we can see in them. Like that piece, not much by the looks. With some of this material, it needs to be ground down to see what's inside it. There's no guarantees with this, of course. There's a colour showing there a bit. A lot of big pieces here that need to be investigated, but obviously from what we can see there's not a lot in it so far. I'm picking this up, just going across the face of the deal. Here's one of those little pieces of crystal that was poking out. Here's another. A lot of this stuff I've just thrown in to let you have a play. Like I say, you need to grind some of this down or just keep it as what it is, which is fossil material. You can see the definitions here. There's a little bit of multicoloured material. Crystal. Piece of crystal. Another piece of not much. Some colour showing there. Not a lot of colour in that piece. Small piece there. Like I said, this won't be very expensive for what you're looking at. Just around about look at it as practice fun material with a few nice pieces amongst it, but it's not $1,000, so hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.